Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to enable VRR variable refresh rate on compatible Bravia TVs and how to enable the best gaming setting of your Sony TV. So stick to the video, don't skip any part, subscribe my channel and like it if you enjoy the video. You can enable VRR on X90J model, A80J, X90k and other TVs like that. So the main function of this VRR is to play the game smoothly and lag free. So I will show you today how to do this. The first thing you should do is update your TV. Once completed, follow these steps. Go into settings, select the option that says channels and inputs followed by external inputs. Go into the HDMI signal format and choose the specific HDMI that you want to have as VRR. Go down to the bottom and select Enhanced Format VRR. Doing so will put this input into game mode. This is recommended for the best overall gaming experience. One thing to keep in mind when running VRR mode, your picture mode will be fixed to the game picture mode. If you desire to change your picture mode in your TV, you can come back to the settings and select normal, enhanced mode or Adobe Vision mode. Doing this will disable VRR. You should now be all set on the Sony TV side of things, but you may need to change your gaming system too, and then you are good to go. Now you can experience the benefits on your compatible Sony TV. VRR mode will optimize your TV for improved responsiveness and lower latency, which is ideal for gaming. This isn't necessarily the best viewing experience for your movie or TV content. However, so for a better viewing experience, I would recommend Enhanced Format Dolby Vision. In case of any query or question, you can ask in comment section. I will surely reply them. Keep watching our channel and hit a thumbs up. If you enjoy the video, kindly like it and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.